Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will be explaining how to get the new Acorn gifts. So what you really gonna do is walk around and get the turkeys. So you are going to take your oh ooh Poseidon Corgi! Come on now, 550,000. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you are gonna walk or take your thing over. It will be kind of hard if you walk, so I really recommend the board. So you're gonna say is, and you're gonna over here. You can see down here 25. You'll need the turkey feathers that you will get every time you hit one of these turkeys. Right there, you can see up here. I got 2. It depends. You can be lucky to get 3, but mostly it is of course 2. But let's take a look at the pet. Poseidon Corgi. 550,000. That's a pretty good one. So what you can do is pretty much you be BFK, but while looking at your screen, like you're just gonna be sitting here waiting for one to spawn, just like here. One spawn, they spawn automatic. Yeah, there I got 3. So it depends. If you get 25 and or over, you can use them. I recommend not just taking it full up, because then you would be able to lose. But if you 28, you will just lose the extra 3. So just use 25, and then you still have 3 left to next time you get 25. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you next video.